and we are powered up here at the Energy Projects Conference. I'm Jeremy Osterberger, and I'm with James Coker of Power Storage Solutions. James, thanks for hanging out with us.
Oh, absolutely. Anytime. It's always fun. I see your name come up on the phone, so it's like, okay, I got to answer this guy. Y'all's events are great. We have a great time, so looking forward to it.
Y'all are a great marketing partner, man, and come to our Crawfish Bowl every year. Thank y'all for being such great big partners. And James, I want to get into the conference, man. So we're here at the Energy Projects Conference. What do you think so far?
Well, we're in quite a large room. We've seen a number of people come through today. It's been quite interesting. Had a lot of really good conversations. So the market I deal with here in the Houston space primarily, I deal with a lot of end customer operators quite often. This has been an interesting conference because we're seeing a broader diversity of customers come through and having a very technical conversations, which I'm not used to seeing in shows as much. So it's been quite refreshing and quite nice, and we're seeing a lot of good leads come across the table.
So it sounds like the level of an individual here is someone that's a good fit for you guys and somewhere you can really work out some solutions at the show.
Absolutely. So there's some great customers. I think are going to be some good customers come out of this. Some good, interesting opportunities. Some things that we do on a regular basis, but plus also some opportunities that might even stretch us out to the next level. So we'll see.
So James, let's go into that. For folks that aren't familiar with Power Storage Solutions, give us your value proposition. What do you do for industry?
So I like to explain it as like we're in the critical power space. So the batteries, the UPSs, the chargers that are kind of hidden away in the back rooms that support all our infrastructure. We deal with a lot of the utility, telecom, industrial space, refining, medical centers, all those kinds of things that need power even when the lights go out, with the grid power goes down. So we deal with the backup power systems themselves, sales, sizing, service, installation, maintenance, testing, all those kinds of applications where we can be a full service provider to the customer.
And so, James, here at the conference, there's kind of many different industries represented. I want to talk about the breadth and scope of who you serve. Is it just refining, petrochem? What kind of markets are you in so folks know your full capabilities?
Well, I'm based out of our Houston office, but we have several offices around the nation. Primarily out of our Houston office, we do have a heavy preference in the industrial refining petrochemical space, but we do work with the data centers, the utilities, the telecom systems, all these different verticals that we can go and work with and support. So we're not just a petrochemical service company. We're not just a product provider, but full service across the breadth of the space.
James, before we jumped on camera, you talked a little bit about some of the unique projects that you've done. Define something in the last 6 months or a year that really stood out, a service you guys really provided and bailed the customer out.
Yeah, absolutely. So as a full service provider, we really like to offer like really good solutions or really fit for purpose applications. So as part of that, we really like to support our customers. We offer emergency rental, temporary rentals, chargers and batteries. And recently, recently we had a new client come to us. Their existing provider had made a mistake and it damaged some equipment, and they needed an immediate solution. Within a 24-hour period, we were able to put together a very large battery system for them on a temporary basis, got that in place to let them keep operating, and then we were able to go and set up planning for a proper replacement of that system. So we got not only the rental project out of that, but also we have taken over that facility as far as being their primary provider now.
That's cool, James. Thanks for profiling that. And my last question for you, James, is, man, what's new, or where y'all had it, where are we headed, or where have you seen some new market opportunities?
Well, I mean, this is Houston, one of the largest markets, especially in the industrial space in the world, so which is fantastic. I mean, we're jam-packed with business on a daily basis, which is a great problem to have.
Sure.
The really cool thing that I'm seeing here at the show is we're getting a more diverse conversation into not only the things we do as our primary business on a day-to-day basis, but we're seeing new opportunities and things growing in other areas, especially like the microgrid or battery energy storage systems.
Yep.
Those have been really hot topic words here at the show today. And we've had a lot of people come up to us with interest in those areas, and we're able to sit there and have those conversations with them about how we can support their projects.
That's great. Well, James, we thank you so much for jumping on Big Magazine. Appreciate you.
Yeah,
We
well,
appreciate
absolutely.
our partnership.
Anytime. Glad to talk to you.
Great.
Thanks
to
so
see you,
much.
James. Take care.
All right. Have a good one.